Hello and welcome to the channel. So 3 months ago I did a review on this screwdriver and that video was titled The Perfect Screwdriver. Now I'll be the first to admit it, I might have been wrong on that. Although it has seen a lot of work, you can tell I mean that the name's rubbing off. It's pretty dirty, it's bashed up in places. I have used this a lot for the last 3 months. It's been one of the main screwdrivers that I've reached for, or nut driver. It depends what I've used it for. Now, what happened was this collar in here, which goes back about this far, actually broke. It started spinning, and I was putting a lot of pressure on it. So I had a screw end in that, a bit end, and I had a piece in there as well, and I was using both of those together to put a lot of force on a very, very tight screw, and the collar just started to spin. So that tells me that it's not really well seated into this section here. What I have done to keep, so I can keep using it, because I do like it, is I've put a screw in there which goes all the way through, and it goes, you can't, oh, you might be able to see it, there it is there. It goes through both sides of that collar. Now it does restrict the length of that, the shaft. It restricts how far it goes in, but it still goes in far enough to lock, and far enough that obviously I can still use it. This part has been perfectly fine. No issues with that at all. I've put some serious strain on that, and it's been fine. No issues with that one at all. I think that does go almost all the way through, but I don't know. Maybe it's just because it's fitted better into this part of the handle and this part, or they haven't put what they put on these metal collars is sometimes they have like wings on the side. I'll call them wings, like ridges, so that when it pushes in and it's seated in there, it's harder for it to come loose. But anyway, that's what happened. Now, I did only pay £1.62 for this, and these were a couple of quid. But I think that's still a good deal. It's not the perfect screwdriver because it broke. I have fixed it and it is still being used. And for £1.62, I can't really complain. This other one that I bought at the same time, again, I've used this a lot. You can see it's had some wear. These little rubber bits that are very flexible, they've lasted fine. No issues with that at all. And again, the shaft on that seems to go quite far, but will it, you know, I don't really put as much strain on this because with it only being small as I have on that one, so that might be fine. We'll see. But this one's still being used and it's still fine. This one obviously I had to put a little repair in, but I just thought I'd give you an update on a screwdriver. It's had 3 months of hard work. It was £1.62. I think it's lasted well, and it's still going thanks to that screw in there. If it breaks again, no big deal. I would actually think about buying another one because it has been useful. This was the Pang Gong set, in case anybody missed the other video. But there you go. I'll see you in the next one.